Alright guys, so we've got some roasted potatoes, we've got some roasted veggies. I've deboned all the thighs in here. I'm gonna just slice these little crispy guys up. This is gonna be like a fork meal. No chicken bones, no nothing like that. We're just gonna do that. This knife ends up tearing it up, but hey, you know, once you're on, you're on. I can either go grab another knife or just stop the video, and guess what? We're hungry, so we're not stopping the video. But yeah, if you guys like this, you want to see more of it, by all means, comment in. I'll do as much as I can. And yeah, I'll add a link into this. So that you guys can see the actual, just the live that I did while I was doing this. Fun little live. Had a few friends come in, join in, made some new friends. You're always welcome. Everybody's welcome over here. And that's just about it. We're gonna have some mojo chicken tonight with some roasted potatoes and veggies. Oops. That's what we're doing. So that's it. Jesus. Of course, drop the dinner served. Even with the technical difficulties.